Hey guys, welcome back. We've looked at creating assignments. Now we're going to look at how to create a quiz in Canvas. So to get started, you're going to click quizzes over on your left side navigation, and you're going to be brought to a screen that looks like this, very similar to when you create assignments. We're going to push the plus quiz button to create our new quiz. When our new quiz opens, I want you to notice that you have a details tab and a questions tab. In this video, I'm just going to focus on the details tab, and then I'm going to make another video that shows you how to create questions. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and give my quiz a name. Below, you have your large, rich content editor box, and this is where you could put in any directions that you wanted for your overall quiz. Scrolling down, you have your quiz type. So there is graded quiz. You can also do a practice quiz, graded survey, or ungraded survey. An ungraded survey would be kind of like if you were doing maybe like a classroom poll. For these videos, I'm going to just focus on graded quiz, but I encourage you to play around and see how you like these other options as well. Scrolling down, there's just a few of these options that I want to point out to you. The first is you have the option of whether or not you're going to sync this to PowerSchool. You also have the option of shuffling your answers, setting a time limit, allowing multiple attempts. So if you wanted students, maybe you wanted to give them 2 attempts at this quiz, you could also say that you just want to keep their highest score or their average or their most recent. You also have some options on whether or not students can see the answers that they've selected, and then once they've finished the quiz, next you have the option of letting students see their quiz responses, as well as whether or not you're going to let them see the correct answers once they have finished taking your quiz. You have an option of showing one question at a time, or otherwise they'll all be on the screen and they can scroll down through them. The next thing, require an access code. This is nice if you have your quiz published earlier in the day, but say the kids aren't going to be taking the quiz until in the afternoon. You could put in an access code of your choosing, 1, 2, 3, 4, a simple word for them to type in, and they're going to have to know your little secret code word or numbers in order to access this quiz. Lastly, you have your assign to box that you're familiar with from assignments, where you can put in who's taking the quiz, your due date, and your available from and available until. And then down at the bottom, you're familiar with these 2 buttons, your save and publish and just save. Those are the main quiz details that you need to focus on. In the next video, we're going to take a look at how to create questions, and we're going to look at some of the specific question types that are available in Canvas. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.